Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about Fridgesmart. Now, fruits and vegetables are expensive and they usually don't last very long in the refrigerator. But the Fridgesmart system is a way that you can extend the freshness of your fruits and vegetables by storing them smartly. Each container comes with a grid which tells you how much air and moisture different types of fruits and vegetables need. It tells you what settings you want to place on the lid, which regulates the airflow for the fruits and vegetables while you're storing them. So based on what the chart says, you'll slide the lid over to whether it's going to get full airflow, partial, or it's going to be closed. And this is a way to keep your fruits and vegetables fresher longer, up to 2 to 3 times as long as they otherwise would be just in the refrigerator. I did a little experiment. I put some carrots and some celery in the Fridgesmart last weekend, and I kept some out that were not on the Fridgesmart. This is a piece of celery that was not on the Fridgesmart. You can see it's pretty flexible. It hasn't stayed so fresh. But from the same batch of celery, I have this piece in here which snaps right off because it's still fresh. So please go check out my website where you can purchase the Fridgesmart system and save money on reducing your waste. Check out the Fridgesmart. They're on special this month where you get 10 pieces for $99. It's a great value. You can split up the set and share it with a friend or family member. So I'll love you if you go onto my website and purchase this set for your home. Thanks.